Here, Breslin. Do you want me to help you? Here. Want to open this? Oh, what's in there? Is this for you? Look. It's for you. What does it say inside? What does it say? Oh, it says Breslin. It's from Aunt Lindy. Here, now look. You want to try and open it? I'll start it for you. Open it?
Keep trying.
Come here. Can you try? Open the paper. Here, open the paper. Open the paper. Good job. Is there something inside?
No.
Is there something inside? What's inside?
Oh, a Easter basket. Wow.
Bunny. Do you want that? Do you want that? Hold it. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Breslin, can you say thank you? Breslin?
Breslin,
Can you say thank you?
say thank you.
Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Thank you? Is that thank you? Yes? Okay. Oh, look at all that. There's M&M's and there's chips and I think that's a lollipop. And Cadbury eggs and milk chocolate. Bunny. Can you say Can you say thank you?
Breslin, look here. Say bye-bye.
You want to bye-bye? Say bye-bye?